So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Marksans Pharma Share. So we know that in a short period of time, it has given very good returns, and you can see currently it is trading near the 73 rupees level. So many people have requested to make a separate video on Marksans Pharma. So previously, when we have discussed about Marksans Pharma, we have discussed almost 7 months back near the 50 rupees level. So it is not the first time we are discussing about it. So clearly I told to hold this particular stock, and we told that it is only for long term but not for any sort of short term trading. So after that, we know continuous momentum was seen in it. So basically it has consolidated for a certain period of time. That is not even 1 month, 2 months. So continuously for few months it has consolidated, and it was not able to give the breakout. But finally in the last 3 to 4 trading sessions, we know that a very good movement was seen in the stock. So not only this particular stock, many stocks, especially related to pharma sector, they have shooted rapidly, because even the results which would be declared are going to be very positive, because situation outside, we know it is not looking good, especially due to the rise in COVID cases. So many we can say people are focusing on pharma sector, especially mutual funds and FIIs. Now they've shifted their focus towards pharma sector. So that's why all these stocks which are completely in undervalued region, so now they are starting to go up. So now we'll discuss all the technicals of Marksans Pharma, and we'll see what would be the next immediate target. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so first we'll start our analysis on how the deliveries have been taken on a regular basis. So you can see on April 22nd, we have seen almost 19.4% positive movement. So that is what is called clear breakout that was seen in the previous session also. It has continued that, and you can see almost 30% returns have been given in just a span of 2 days. So currently it is near 73. So if you include today's movement also, you can say 35% movement has been covered by Marksans Pharma. So on an average, we are seeing almost 35 to 38% deliveries are being taken. So in the previous few trading sessions, so clearly you can see the traded quantity has increased and the deliverables have not increased on a regular basis. So that is why today also it is not able to generate a huge momentum, even though it has given 5%. That is also decent, but what we say upper circuit, so those things are not possible right now, because market also is in little consolidation phase. So we know it is we can't predict anything. So whatever happens, we need to focus on the levels, and we need to have a right entry. Okay, so previously we know almost 6 months back we have discussed the complete fundamentals of Marksans, and we told to hold this particular stock only for long term. So that is why much we have not discussed later, because stock was also in a consolidation phase. So major movements were not observed. So in the last few trading sessions only, it has given a very good movement. So now let us go to the technical charts, and we'll see what are the next possible supports as well as resistances. Okay, so this is the particular technical chart that we have discussed in our previous video. So that time clearly have drawn all the support and resistance region. So when it was near the 49.85 rupees region. So after that, we know a very good breakout was seen. So now let us start our analysis in the 1 week chart. So you can see currently it is trading near 73.20, and you can see almost 5.20% positive movement is present, and you can see it is the same level, okay, from where it has respected. And also you can see the 50-day exponential moving average was also present. So when it has breakout that particular level, especially 53.11, so this much amount of momentum has been generated. So now currently it is free to move, nothing major resistances are visible. So immediate next possible thing is that 75 above closing is very important. So if it closes above 75, then next immediate resistance would be near 80 rupees region. So this is going to be the immediate target that you need to watch out. But always I tell that already it has given a huge rally in 2 to 3 days. So I would suggest that you need to wait for few days. If it gives any sort of correction, you can buy near the 65, 63. So in that particular regions, if you get a chance, if it corrects, so then you can buy at that particular levels. It comes or not, it is secondary, but I am telling for the best entry, so that you can have minimum loss and you can maximize your profit. So near 65 region, so that would be little beneficial. So if you go a little bit down, you can see money flow index also approached near the 77 region. So now it has not entered completely in the overbought region. Okay, again it is suggesting that once it goes to overbought, then only it may expect some correction. So what does it mean? So it means that further more momentum may be seen. So once it goes to that particular 75, 80, if it crosses those regions, so after that we may expect little correction. So once it corrects, if you are interested, if you are willing to invest in any pharma stock for long term, then I would say that this would be the one stock that you can add in small amounts. Okay, so now let us start our analysis in 1-day chart. So that was whatever we have discussed in 1 week chart. So in 1-day chart, you can see the same rally, whatever the support, you can see this was the major support 53.11 on daily time frame. So you can see whenever it has come there, it has tried to retrace, again it has come down, again it has gone up, and finally because of the rise in COVID cases, it has given some additional trigger. Okay, we can say additional momentum. So that is why after approaching the support, we have seen this much amount of huge rally. Okay, so now I can tell, already I told that 65 is going to be the one region where you can average, or you want to have a fresh entry, you can do it. After that I can tell 62. Okay, 62, 65. So those are going to be the important support regions where you can add in the coming sessions. Okay, only when it comes below 70, so focus on these levels and you can completely I can tell comfortably you can hold it for long term, nothing to worry. So almost it has consolidated for many weeks, you can see that as well when you have gone to weekly time frame. So that's why now it has given the particular momentum and it is showing that it may cross even the further levels. So average at the right intervals. If you're a risky investor, also invest in small portions. Okay, so these are all the technicals of Marksans Pharma, so focus on it. And further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.